Please subscribe my channel and press like button, share with your friends. Blessing to all of you. Thank you for watching. Here we discuss very important practice question. Find the pH of the solution if hydronium ion concentration is 4.5 into 10 to power negative 5, or sometimes we can say 4.5 times 10 power negative 5 m. Okay, so molar concentration of hydronium ion is given. pH is equal to minus log of hydronium ion concentration. We will put this value over here. So pH will be equal to minus log of 4.5 into 10 raised to power negative 5. So it will be pH is equal to 5 minus log of 4.5. So I saw the table and find out the value of log 4.5, that is 0.6532. Subtract it, so this will be coming to be 4.347, rounding off. So this is acidic solution because pH is less than 7. Now they are asking pOH. So pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pOH will be equal to 14 minus pH. So pH value we have seen that it is this. So pOH will be subtract 14 minus 4.347, that is equal to 9.653. This is the pOH value. Now here very important, Ka value is K of acetic acid, that is acid dissociation constant of acetic acid is given 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Find the pKa and pKb and Kb. Three things we have to find out. So what we have to do, we have to find out pK. Formula is pK is equal to minus log of K, right? So my pK is equal to minus log of K, that is equal to, put the value of K, this is given. So minus log of 1 negative log 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Okay, so this Ka value we will put the value over here and we will find out that pK is equal to 5 minus log of, this will go to minus plus minus minus plus, so 5 minus log of 1. This will remain as such, so minus log of 1.8. Subtract it, value I find out that it is 0.255. 5 minus this value is equal to 4.745. This is pK value. So pK plus pKb is equal to 14. So pKb will be equal to 14 minus pK. Okay, so pK value we calculated out. So pKb will be 9.255. We've got it. Now pKb is equal to minus log of Kb. So write down this value which we calculated. So Kb will be equal to anti log of 9.255. So we will readjust it. This is Mantissa, that is decimal part 2.55. Here plus, it should be always positive. So minus 1 plus 1 we are doing here. So it is